Hello guys, in today's video of Behind the Clutter, we are going to make a simple bedside lamp. Almost every components used in this project are cheap and readily available. The very first thing that you need for this project is a balloon. And then you need Fevicol, woolen thread and some water. So first take a balloon and inflate it. After that take a bowl and pour about 100 grams of Fevicol in it. And then add a little amount of water to the glue, just enough to make it loose, or else it will take more time to dry. So adding about 5 to 10 ml of water for 100 grams of glue will be adequate for a good mixture. Now dip the thread ball inside the glue mixture and soak it well without unwinding it. And also make sure one end of the thread is kept outside the bowl or else it can get tangled and become a mess. After soaking it in the glue for a minute or two, take the balloon and wrap the wool around it until you get a good mesh like you see in the video. Now keep it to dry for about 36 to 48 hours and then you will end up with something like this. As it's been 2 days, the balloon got self-deflated and left this beautiful woolen cage behind. And it seems to be a perfect shade for our bed lamp. So now let's remove the balloon and clear the opening. And in case if you are not satisfied with the strength of this shade, then you can pour some super glue over the top to make it even stronger. So the shade portion of our bed lamp is ready. Now we have to make a body for our bed lamp. And for that here I am using the central portion of a used masking tape. You can use anything similar to this to make the body as long as it can hold the other half. Now we have to fix a bulb socket inside the body. And for that I have cut a cardboard piece with a diameter that can squeeze fit inside the body. And I have also made a hole at the exact center of the disc to fix the bulb socket like you see in the video. So fix the socket on the disc and slide it towards the center of the body. Next we need to power it, and for that let's use this 2-pin power cord. And let's drill a hole on the side wall to insert the cable to get a better aesthetics. And then simply insert the cable and screw the wires onto the socket terminals. And after that glue everything in place using super glue like you see in the video. So the body of our bed lamp is almost complete. Now let's put a bulb in the socket and see whether the lines are okay. So it's working fine. Now let's cover the base using this cardboard disc that I have made in dimension of the body. And I have painted it black. Now the only thing left is to fix the shade over it. But here we can't glue it in place because in such a case we would have to rip it open in case of a bulb replacement. So here we can use a double-sided tape instead to get a medium bond. Now fix the shade over the body. And here you can see that the tapes are holding it and it won't fall off very easily. And finally our bedside lamp is ready. So let's power it on and see how it looks. And it's looking really beautiful to me and is also providing a good candlelight like ambience. So share your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you like this video, a sub to the channel would be delightful. So with that being said, this is Gogolraj signing off. Thank you all for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next one.